Cooking with CanCooker, I'm your host, Seth McGinn. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're gonna make one of these awesome strawberry cakes. Look how moist that is in the CanCooker. Let's get started. Let's get to it. Strawberry cake mix, doctored up in the CanCooker. And take our little low pans, squirt them with a little non-stick spray. Let's get the junior fired up first. Sorry, the companion. Using the Portable Cooktop, medium-low, set her on there. We're gonna add our two-piece rack. What that does is lift everything up out of the liquid so our cake pans aren't sitting down in the water floating. Add a bottle of water, 16 ounces of water, or enough to get it to the bottom of the rack. What that does is create a warm, moist environment for our batter. Grab our mix we already made up. Super easy. We just used an already pre-made box. The only thing we did different, we added one box of strawberry jello pudding. The mix called for 3 eggs. We added 1 extra, as well as a half a cup of milk. Mix that up. Then we took 3/4 cup strawberries, mashed them up, put them in the batter. So we're gonna fill these up about half full. Ooh. And it's super easy. Fill them up about half full. It will rise a lot more than in your stovetop due to the warm, moist environment. Set them in there on top of the rack. We'll put the lid on. It's already, you can see, I don't know if you can see that, it's already starting to steam. Lock the lid down. Once she starts venting steam, 20 minutes, it's that easy. Make great tasting cakes anywhere in the CanCooker. All right, she's been steaming for about 20 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, perfect. We can kill the heat. Time to eat. Check these out. Strawberry steamed cake in the CanCooker. For this recipe and many more great ones, check them out, cancooker.com.